Hello. Hope you're having a great day. Just want to share a little bit with you about your homework related to this course. I want you to understand there really are two types of homework that you'll need to do. One is the online homework, which is related to your My Business course software, and the other is something I've called homework Blackboard submission. The reason for two types of homework is certain questions go really well that you can answer on the online format, and then other questions that I want you to answer don't work in that format, and you need to type out some stuff. So therefore, I want to let you submit that homework just directly in Blackboard. So the online homework, generally going to give you about 10 points for each module that you do, and just a little hint about how that homework manager works. It grades right and wrong based on marks and through a color display. Marks, if you see a 1 out of 1, that means you got it correct. A 0 out of 1 would let you know that the answer is incorrect. On the color coordination stuff, I believe it's green, allows you to know something's correct. And it's a red color, maybe a pinkish color, that would signify that something is not correct. A little further on how the homework manager works is once you check some work and it tells you what's right and what's wrong, you're going to have to fully submit all of that homework assignment. And then if you want to change some answers, you have to reopen that assignment and type the answers in again. Okay. Now I know that's a little tedious, but the way you may help yourself is make a note of all the correct answers that you have. So when you try another attempt, that you have those answers quickly in front of you, and then you're able to just fill in the new answers for things that maybe you might have missed. Moving on to the Blackboard homework. Again, it's called Homework Blackboard Submission. You'll find one for your modules. It'll say Module 1, Homework Blackboard Submission. It's going to tell you what I would like for you to work on. Generally, this Blackboard stuff relates to discussion questions and a few problems that maybe I couldn't get into the online homework manager. So on the Blackboard submission stuff, I like you to type it up in a Word file, maybe possibly Excel. But if you do Excel, if you'll do me a favor and copy it back over into Word, make sure it's formatted right, and then submit that in Blackboard. So you'll see, to help you, you'll see your homework, and then right below that homework, you're going to find something that says like Module 1 Blackboard Homework Posting. That's where you're going to need to put your Blackboard homework. Okay. Now also with this Blackboard homework, I want to provide you a way to get some quick feedback. So I'm going to divide the class into 3 groups. And as students, I want you to post your work in the discussion section. All right. So like as an example, under Module 1, it's going to request that Group 1 post their homework not only in Blackboard, in the Blackboard submission area, but also in the discussion section. You'll find over in that little discussion board over on the left-hand side of your screen, it'll show you a place that you can post your homework for each module. But you only have to do it based on the group that's requested for that module. So as an example, Group 1 will do Module 1 homework. Group 2 would be the group that is the only group that has to post their answers for the Module 2 homework. And then Group 3 would do it, and then it's going to repeat itself. You'll go back to Group 1, and then Group 2, and then Group 3 again. All right, Group 1 will be classmates that have last names that begin from A to H. Group 2 will be people that have last names that start with I through P. Group 3 will be people that have last names Q through Z. So you'll post your homework. If you're a Group 1 person, let's go back and see if I can clear it up a little bit. Module 1, everyone will post their homework. If you're a Group 1 member, you're also going to post your homework to the discussion section. And that allows everyone to see that work and get a chance to get a consensus answer and know if their answer is correct. Well, I'm about out of time on my video, so I hope this clears up the homework, and have a great day.